how valuable is time? How valuable is your time? Pretty valuable, since you can't really get back every second that passes. So isn't it frustrating when you have to spend your time, your life, doing your home's maintenance, the many maintenance items that have to be done? Or are you one of the people putting those maintenance items off, which could probably cost you a lot more money in the end? Wouldn't it be great if there was a company who can come out and fix your appliances, your HVAC system, or an outlet that's not working, and do your home's maintenance? Well, if you didn't know, that's literally what Upkeep does. We come out 4 times a year and we maintain everything. So it's a lot less expensive for you, and you get to spend the time doing the things you really want to do. So why don't you keep up your home with Upkeep?